All right, so this week it was, doesn't my accountant do this? No, they don't. Doesn't my advisor do this? No, they don't. Well, here's the last person that you might be thinking of in terms of numbers. Doesn't my banker do this? And if you think that your accountant and your advisor knew about this, if your banker actually knows this, there's no way in hell they are sharing this with you. Because here's why. You are cutting down the amount of interest you have to pay to a bank. That interest is their revenue. Why would they slit their own throats? And here's the best story I can share. I have one dentist as a client. We paid off, not going to go through the whole story, but we paid off $800,000 of debt in 7 months, saving him $12,000 a month in payments for 7 years. And the total cost to do it was $500. Now, this dentist, again, remembering my past life was a dentist, so I know how much debt is carried and things like that. But this dentist introduced me to the original banker at the bank that he uses. That banker has moved on to a different bank. We go have a phone call. The junior associate, so I'm just going to say senior guy, junior person. Okay, so senior and junior, they're both on the phone and we're just chit-chatting and said, so the doctor, he wanted me to talk to you. And I just said, oh, in terms of how I helped him pay off $800,000 of debt in 7 months and saving $12,000 a month in payments. He's like, yeah, that's it. Great. I'll walk through the whole thing with you. I go through every single detail for the next 30 to 40 minutes. Total buy-in. Absolute 100% buy-in. Understand I did this? Yep. Understand I did this? Yep. Can we move the money like this? Yep. Every single step of the process. I went through painstaking detail to explain this to the senior and junior banker who are on the phone. All I'm hearing is yep, 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 yep. Got it, got it, got it, got it, got it, got it, got it. And I get to the end and there's silence. Just a disturbing silence where I know they are looking back and forth at each other saying, oh crap, this guy's right. And I break the silence saying, you guys are looking at each other right now saying that if we share this with our other clients, we are, starts with an F, ends with a K, and it ain't the word fire truck. And all he can say is, well, we can't share this with all our clients. There is no incentive for the financial institutions to show you how to do this. All their marketing pieces, if you look at any sort of line of credit, let's call it a home equity line of credit. Hey, consolidate those credit card bills. Hey, do the renovation on your house. Put in a pool. How about your kids are going to college and help in terms of paying student loans? That's the way they market to you on this. Not saying, hey, here's a way to pay off your home in 5 years instead of 30. Saving you 25 years of payments that's now staying in your pocket versus ours. What would be their point? What would be their incentive? There is none. There's none. And the best part about that story is the junior banker calls me afterwards, and I'm going through her own personal numbers and saying, yeah, we can go from negative $1,000 a month for your personal life and actually have positive cash flow. Now, was it a lot? No. But would you rather be digging the hole onto yourself every single month if there was a way out? She is a banker and she didn't know this. Why would you think the bankers would know? They are here to sell you the next product that they're pushed. They ain't pushing lines of credit, especially when you know how to use them strategically. And so this information, obviously, in my personal opinion, is vital. So if you want that information, type info in the comments below. I promise I will reach out to you to see if you want to play the game with me and screw the banks. I mean, that's the way that this works. The only people that lose are the banks. You win because you're further ahead financially. I win knowing that I helped another family get there faster. They lost. Let them win on everyone else but you. That's my hope. That's my goal, is to understand that the process is simple. The mindset shift is the hardest part of all this. But once you see it, you can't unsee this. And you will realize I will never go back to how I was doing things before, because it just doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense for the banks to screw you. Until next time.